So, install of the MobaXterm for remote SSH is kind of a very good thing to do because you know those SSH commands. How does a typical SSH command look like? So, if you look here, so SSH in Linux with IP and add and so on and so forth. I am not really the biggest fan of this, so let's just create the tool which is easy to use and a kind of nice interface. So MobaXterm is doing that, and it's a free version for just you. I think portable would be just fine, and it's also not that big. So what it does? If you have some kind of SSH connection to your Linux server or some any Linux machine, you can just we have to unpack by the way, and then we can run it. So MobaXterm personnel. I think we have to install it first, right? Ah, no, this is actually the app. Okay. So the thing is, if we want to connect to our Linux server, we can do it through here. So for example, here SSH, and we can put our remote host. So for example, I have set up some remote host, some Linux user, and I think the username is like this. So we can use here in the advanced SSH setting. So it's SSH because you see here port 22, and we click here on the SSH. So we can use advanced SSH settings for private key because normally you have the SSH key. And for that, I think I have set up here in the SSH folder. You can see here my the web server, the key, and so this is basically it. And I think we have to put the full path. So this is basically the full path. We could also click here just and okay. And this has yeah, it seems to be first time. Please accept. Okay. So in this case we have some password set up for private key, but in general we are on it, and we have here the web server new. So this is it. You can also right click and rename session, edit session. So edit session would be nice to click here on bookmark and to say what you want to call it, right? Okay, so that would be it. Thank you very much. This is my this is YouTube channel for like explaining all of kind of technical stuff, right? I'm a professor in Winnipeg, so I know about a lot of things from informatics to data to computer networking and so on. So if you have anything, just ask me, whatever. It's fine, and reach out. So let's see in the next video. So goodbye.